The farmers' protests at the Delhi-Noida border intensify traffic congestion at the border area, with also prompting heavy security barricading and arrangements made by the bordering district. Joining me right now is the DCP East Apurva Gupta. Thank you, ma'am. What has been the situation since the morning, and how have you prepared as far as the security arrangements and the law and order at the border is concerned, as it shares with the East districts as well?
As you can see, we are standing at the Delhi-UP border, and we got to know that certain farmer associations have given a call for moving to Delhi. And since the parliament session is in session, and our priority is to keep the law and order in Delhi intact and to ensure that the public life is not disrupted. So we have made efforts to ensure that no breach of peace or law and order happens here. With regard to that, we have made certain preventive deployment and logistical arrangements. Our priority is also to ensure that the traffic at the border remains smooth and no sort of traffic congestion happens.
Has there been any preventive measure or arrangement that can be taken and thought for tomorrow?
For tomorrow, it's too early to say. We are still watching the situation which develops in Noida, and as and when the developments happen, then we'll take a call on that.
This, in fact, was the DCP East Apurva Gupta on the security arrangements at the Delhi-Noida flyover and also the UP border that Delhi shares ahead of the call of Delhi Chalo by the farmers, arranging for the many demands that they are urging for the centre. With Avdesh, this is Simran for NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.